THISAN meitei. THISAN. Sibai kalem uve Kuki people.
Nadam namo guys.
Hope everyone is doing well. And you are here with
Samsona aka No Nonsense.
And this is Gabs Gabi along from
South Sudan,
Africa, guys. Peace out, guys. And today we have one suggested video by the title THISAN in NAKOUVE. I think this is Kuki language.
NAKOUVE.
So you can tell us what does it mean. We already saw the video previously. It was showcasing the I feel like this is like a tribute song also.
Tribute song also.
Yeah.
For the heroes and
for the heroes and the citizens.
Yes, during the war.
Yeah, previously we have Tracy. I also reacted to her before. She's a good singer. Tracy is there, and Nemzoupui.
Paite.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned, and let's
don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and
guys.
comment.
Thank
so
you
that
so
you
much.
can motivate us to keep going and more and more. And if you have any suggested video, please
drop it below, guys.
Forget to tell us or to drop it in the comment section below.
Our prayers with you all, guys. May God be with you, save you, bless you all. Let's
Amen.
go. Sit back and relax.
Yeah.
THISAN
fasten your belt seat.
Special thanks to Paite area volunteer.
Area boys. Oh yeah.
Shout out to them.
For their sponsor.
Shout out for keeping
the
kukiland. Yeah. See, now they don't call it Manipur. They call it kukiland. They're fighting for the kukiland. Okay. THISAN in peace to you all. I'll sing for you guys. THISAN Kohan hihinsame Tanam pochien Yes, very good. Volunteer to support their land. Yes. Jing Uye. Peace. Rest in peace. R.I.P. Sona. Hola loka meko di hamlo kanam meitei kanam meitei tisan tisan tisani tisan tisan tisani nam kanam polche Mala jana buka kemule ilai so THISAN ei go sing Dule mate tao na on dancing bun Kanno go chen vai go tao vinge Ngaiching singun cuma pawang mo KNAKOUVE THISAN Polhan hangin seme Kanam kanong poche hoy sa hiu ham
I know if I can feel the song.
So painful. I feel the song. Chajang. This is stayed in Chajang. The capital of Kukiland, where people lost their life. Rest in peace, all brothers and sisters. THISAN Kolhan mahin same Long kalong poche This is Paimol. Peace to you, Paimol.
Wow.
I think THISAN is like peace.
So nice.
I think THISAN has is some.
It's giving that vibe of peace. Like,
It's a great word, meaningful word, very important. Let us know what does it mean by THISAN, right? THISAN in nakouve.
I believe
It's like peace because
THISAN in
nakouve. Because if we are saying welcome, guys, like Sibai Kalem Ove, right? Here we have nakouve. It's like something like
people like
something similar to this one.
Yeah.
So tell us, guys. Tell us what does it mean. The song was really so
amazing, inspiring,
so touching.
Yeah, touching.
So touching and so inspiring at the same time for the Kukiland people. So Tracy, amazing sound.
He's telling you not to give up.
Yeah.
And don't allow anyone to trust
you have to fight for your land, guys.
Right.
You have to fight for the justice, guys.
Yeah.
We are wishing you all the best, guys. You only know what is happening in your place. You know what you want, guys. So all we can give, it is our prayer. Prayer for you all, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the support you're giving to our channel. Till next time. THISAN.
God bless you all, guys.
Love from Africa.